Hello guys, welcome back to my channel POD with Kawa. Quarter 1 of 2024 has started and we can get ahead of the competition by making designs for the products or for the niches that will bloom in these months. I know I'm a bit late, but better late than never, right? Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. This is normal for any print-on-demand sellers to see huge sales fall because Christmas is over. So this is nothing to worry about. Just hang in there and be consistent. So what can you do? Look for holidays and trends for Q1, like Valentine's Day and 14th of February and Pi Day in March. Because if you search these niches on any website, you will see that they are already trending everywhere. And in his video, I'm going to show all the niches trending and talk about the trending niches I'm interested in. So, let's see our first niche. One of the trending niches for quarter 1 is 100 days of school. Here I'm using podcs.com for niche research, as this website tells us what kind of designs are trending under a niche. If you want to know more about this website, please let me know in the comments section so that I can make a separate video on this topic. Now let's get back on the topic and search for 100 days of school. As you can see, these designs are currently trending under this niche. So, you can create similar designs but don't copy them completely. Also, as you can see, these designs were made only a year ago and already made more than 200 sales, which means this niche has good selling potential. You can combine this niche with patterns, graphics, and you can create design from different perspectives. Like this niche is basically from the perspective of students or kids, but you can make designs from the teacher's perspective and make them in many other styles. This niche is mostly trending on Zazzle. You can also try it on Redbubble, because you won't be able to find good designs there. Which means if you can make better designs, your design can easily rank up and you can make some sales. However, I really recommend you to sell this niche on Zazzle, because if you are familiar with Zazzle even a little bit, then you might know that kids and females are the majority of the customers on Zazzle. So, you'll have a higher chance of making sales here. I really like these two designs here because in both of them they have combined this niche with monster trucks and dinosaurs. Both of them are really popular among kids, so can also combine anything that is liked by kids with this niche. Now let's move on to our next niche. That is Valentine's Day. Let's search for Valentine's Day and see what kind of designs are trending under this niche. Valentine's Day is one of the most profitable events you should look forward to as a seller. You can create designs for couples as well as those who are single and also cross-niche Valentine's Day with other niches. You can cross-niche hobbies with Valentine's Day or professions like nurses, gamers, truck drivers, or even food. For example, you can make a design for pizza lovers saying pizza is my Valentine, or for pet lovers, like my dog or cat is my Valentine. Be as creative as you can, and you will be able to make sales this Valentine's Day. The next niche we have is Chinese New Year. Here are some trending Chinese New Year designs that you can take inspiration from. As you can see, Chinese New Year designs are pretty complex and are difficult to create because it requires a lot of elements. But don't worry about making elements or assets for your design, because this website will solve this problem. Creative Fabrica is a website where you can find everything you need for making any design, from graphics, fonts, templates, mockups, assets, and many more. And all that available at super cheap prices, and many of them are even free. So, you should definitely try this website. I'll give the link in the description. Now that we have the assets to create our design, then the best website for selling Chinese New Year designs is Zazzle, as Zazzle is very great for selling cards. So, you can sell your designs as invitation cards on Zazzle, because people will exchange New Year cards on this occasion. And if you want to know how to make this golden foil effect on Zazzle, which will make our design more appealing, then you can watch my YouTube shorts on this topic. You will learn to create this effect in less than 60 seconds. I'll give the link in the description, so do check it out. You can also make designs for gift products such as mugs, greeting cards, etc. You should definitely make some designs for this niche. Now let's move on to our next niche. That is winter sports. Let's check it out. Selling winter sports designs now takes advantage of the current season, targeting customers interested in winter activities. Capitalizing on the timing allows you to meet the demand for winter-themed products while engaging with a relevant audience seeking these items during the colder months. You can combine any winter activity or sports under this niche. For example, you can make a design about hockey or combine winter sports with the country's flag. Or you can search for different terms that come under this niche, like hockey. And you will see that there are many great designs that you can make and take inspiration from. And Redbubble might be the best place to sell winter sports designs, but you can try selling them on any platform you're using. And as I mentioned before, you can search and make designs for different terms that come under the niche such as snow sports, snowboarder, ice skiing, and many more. Next we have Pi Day. Let's check it out. Selling Pi Day designs now can capitalize on the upcoming Pi Day March 14th. It's a niche market with potential demand for math-themed merchandise, attracting those who enjoy celebrating the mathematical constant. Timing your sales efforts closer to the event increases the likelihood of capturing the attention of potential buyers. NTpublic and Redbubble are the best websites for selling designs of this niche, as many people buy this niche as stickers and t-shirts, for which Redbubble and NTpublic are pretty good as the majority of their customers are interested in stickers and t-shirts. You should definitely try this one. Next we have St. Patrick's Day. Selling St. Patrick's Day designs now is timely as the holiday approaches. By launching your designs ahead of time, you can tap into the market as people start looking for St. Patrick's Day apparel and accessories, increasing your chances of attracting buyers and boosting sales. And as you can see, making St. Patrick's Day designs are not very difficult as you will only require a few elements and assets. However, you should definitely observe other sellers' designs before creating your own. You can sell them on Redbubble or any website, even though there are so many designs already. As you can see, they are not very appealing and you can take advantage of this. So if you can create some better designs, then chances of you making sales will increase. Now, let me quickly show some other bonus niches. These are also very important niches of Q1, so I really recommend you to try these. First, we have Super Bowl. Fans are actively seeking merchandise to showcase their team spirit or enhance their Super Bowl experience. By offering designs ahead of time, you can increase your sales and get ahead of your competitors by turning this demand into sales. Next, we have coffee designs. Selling coffee designs is a lucrative venture due to the widespread popularity of coffee culture. People are passionate about their coffee, making themed merchandise highly appealing. Then you can create designs for yoga mats, as many people will start yoga as their New Year resolutions or to get fit. So, it's a great product to make designs for. Then you can create motivational designs as many people take resolutions to achieve something in the new year. You can create motivational mugs design or motivational quotes, etc. Then for the next niche, we have journaling. People would like to start journaling from the new year to start recording their achievements and activities. So anything to decorate or that makes journaling more fun will sell, such as beautiful stickers and quote stickers. Next, we have motivational posters, as people will need motivation to complete their New Year resolutions. That makes this niche really profitable. I really recommend you to go for this one. And they are pretty easy to make, as you will only need some quotes and few elements. You can observe other sellers' products to get started. These were the best trending niches of Q1 that you can make to increase your sales. I used the free plan of Pod CS. However, you can always purchase their plan to get more data. The link is in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Will you try any of these niches? Let me know in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Stay awesome and stay creative.